Okay, let me enumerate the 33 highly urbanized cities in the Philippines in alphabetical order. First is Angeles City, Bacolod City, Baguio City, Butuan City, Cagayan de Oro City, Caloocan City, Cebu City, Davao City, General Santos City, Iligan City, Iloilo City, Lapu-Lapu City, Las Piñas City, Lucena City, Makati City, Malabon City, Mandaluyong City, Mandawi City, Manila, Marikina City, Muntinlupa City, Navotas City, Olongapo City, Parañaque City, Pasay City, Pasig City, Puerto Princesa City, Quezon City, San Juan City, Tacloban City, Taguig City, Valenzuela City, and last in the alphabetical order is Zamboanga City. I hope you are duly informed about the highly urbanized cities in the different parts of the Philippines. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.